So you're rocking a new computer and intend to use it for a variety of things. Maybe you're an avid gamer who occasionally streams or edits footage. Maybe you're a heavy content creator who uses programs like Premiere Pro and Photoshop. But if we've learned anything about PCs over the past few years, it's that no two programs are exactly alike. Some can be bottlenecked by system RAM, others by the CPU, others by the GPU. And it's problems like these that MSI sought to solve with the Creator Center. This program provides various performance steps based on usage that are intended to conserve power and maximize efficiency. This is especially important in laptops, which is why the Creator Center ships pre-installed on every MSI laptop in the content creation family. But this program does a lot more than meets the eye and can be useful in a variety of circumstances. So to get started, let's download the program. I'm using an MSI Prestige 15 for this example, which already ships with the software, but I'm gonna go ahead and uninstall it for the sake of demonstration. First, you'll wanna click the link in this video's description for the Creator Center download. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and select Download Now. Then extract the zipped folder and double-click on the application to initialize first boot. Many of the supported software suites are for photo and video editors like Magix, Vegas, and Adobe, which makes sense. This is a creator studio after all, and we can see the ones on our machine over to the right. Navigating between windows happens via these tabs on the left. There's Creator Mode and User Center, both of which we'll discuss later. General settings for basic functions. Here's the Monitor tab, where we can view component usages, fan speeds, and other system stats. The next tab, My Device, is useful for product registration. The next category is Support, and the highest tab, Live Update, can be used for software updates, not just those relating to Creator Center, mind you, so it's nice to have all of this in one window. We got anything from a GPU driver here to audio drivers and the like. The last category is Tools, and in it we have Battery Master and Backup. In the former, specific battery profiles ensure that you're getting the most out of your laptop at any given time while preserving the unit's health. Now, since charging to 100% all the time can introduce unwarranted stress, choosing either the balanced or best for battery profiles will charge the unit when life falls below a certain percentage, 70% and 50% respectively. And they will only charge up to 80% and 60%, again, to preserve long-term battery health. But let's go ahead and navigate back up to the User Scenario tab in the Home category. This is where the magic happens. So as of right now, we're running the balanced profile, and you can confirm this up top as well. You can set parameters the way you want based on the user scenario selected, and then save the profile for future use. For instance, you may want lower panel and keyboard brightness in tandem with a more comfortable performance profile under this balanced preset, whereas Sport mode may be for full brightness, maximum CPU and GPU performances. You get the point. Another intuitive trait of Creator Center is baked into the Creator Mode tab. Here you'll find two buttons, User Priority and Real Time. If these are grayed out, make sure you've switched on Creator Mode via the toggle in the top right-hand corner. The User Priority tab does exactly what you think it does. Any supported application dragged into this space will be given priority for system resources in the event multiple programs are running simultaneously. If you're especially concerned about, say, PhotoDirector 10 and Premiere Pro's performances, be sure to add them to this tab and retain other, less important programs in the SW or Software List window. Creator Center does the rest. And if you're content with giving the center full control, select the Real Time button, and programs with windows on top of your screen will perform better than the windows that are further down on the screen, so underneath windows above it. Kind of hard to explain with respect to a screen, but you know what I'm saying. This setting may be preferable if you find yourself frequently switching between applications, so it's a little more versatile in that sense. But perhaps one of the best things about Creator Center that I've found is how low profile the application is. While running in the background via the system tray, it consumes minimal resources and shouldn't noticeably eat into your performance. If you'd like to learn more, you can find relevant links in the video description. My name's Greg. Thanks for learning with me.